ay base po sa aking intindi, ang tawag po dito sa mga number na to is matrix. Kaya po yung naka-column because may by row po yan, by column. Tinatawag po itong 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. Then ito naman po tatlong columns, 1, 2, 3. So, this is called 4 times 2. 4 times 3 dahil apat na row, tatlong columns. Same as the set A. Tatlong row and dalawang columns. 3 times 2. So, ano ba naman? But ano itong dalawang to? Ito po yung define ng dalawang set. So, paano mo po naging define? Paano to naging 4 by 2 columns? So, basically, ganito po yan. 4 times 3, which is ito, and 3 times 2, which is ito, equals the set A and set B, set A, set B. So we need to combine the set B and set A, which means equivalent silang dalawa. So ang natira na lang is A and B. So the answer is 4 by 2. So kaya natin ito na 4 by 2. So ano naman po itong nasa loob na to? Paano ito nakuha? Ito. 14, 8, 7, 8, 4, 9, 13, 2. Paano ito nakuha? Basically, this is the given. So we need to find the three numbers of set A and the vertical numbers of set B. And this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So we need to times 1 times 2 then plus. So let's compute 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1, 0 times 1, then 4 times 3, which is 4 times 3. The answer is 14. And sinulfo ko po kanina sa calcu. This is the first matrices from the AB. Then the second matrix is ito. Itong sunod na vertical na to. Which is ito din, pero ito pa din yung kanyang set B. So 2 times 2 is plus 1 times 1, then plus 1 times 3 equals 8. Then the rest, this is the rest, and the rest is same solution. So paano naman ang set B? Ang second column for this. So paano ito nakuha? So basically as the same of set A, horizontal of this, but the set B is this, the vertical. Ito naman po yung i-compute. So 1 times 4 is 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1 times 1, then 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Yeah. 4 times 0 pala. 4 times 0 is 4. Yeah. The rest is the same solution. So, yun lang po ang nalaman sa matrices. Salamat po.